Right guys, I've got this one again. I know I've already done a video, but the light was a bit shit, so now I'm in the front room. You can see a bit better. Here's the key. I like these keys, they're really fancy. It only turns that much. Oh, that's easier. That's it. And you have to pull. You have to get it just right. It does come out. There we go. Now this is the one that I showed last time that's got the bypass on it. I'll try and get it as close as I can so we can see. Right, so if I show there and try and get the pick in so that it's the easiest way to show it without blocking all the light. Where's the best light? I'm fucking arm blocking it now. There we go. Instantly on a full set as soon as I put it in. Now I'll just hold that, pick the back pin. There we go. Job done. I'll do that one more time if I can anyway. Let's see, as soon as I put the pick in, you can see there? Yeah, see there. As soon as I put that in, straight away full set. Then pick the back. Come on. Oh, come on, I fucked it up now. Right, back pin. Come on. It's so bloody smooth, it's hard to bloody grip. There we go. Nearly fucked it up. There we go. Hey. Cheers guys.